Okay, today I'm in central London and I'm in this little garden of a Victorian building was built in 1840, and I just thought I'd have a little go around this garden since I got permission to do so. And already I've found two similar shaped spoons, funnily enough, but one being chrome, one looking really old. There's going to be loads of trash in here because it's right next to the road, but let's have a go and see what happens. Okay, so after about half an hour, as you'd expect really, a little bit of brass, a little bit of brass there I would imagine, the key thing, a buckle, and then all this trash. So no money yet. I bet it's here somewhere, but yeah, been fun. Okay, I found what I think's a buckle, another one, but just in the soil here, came in at a 20. This is quite interesting. I can't make it out yet, but that looks that looks well cool. So I'm happy with that. That's made it worthwhile, this little dig in the garden. It's old, don't know how old, but that's cool. I'll polish that up and see what that is. Brilliant. And the sun's coming out. Cool as. Could stay here all day, but I've got things to do. Okay, so this is the little badge I found. And I'm not sure if it's a little police badge or what it is, but it says Hastings on it, and it's got the little Hastings. I don't know if they're little lions or what they are, but that was a good. I'm quite happy with that little find. Yeah, really cool. Not sure of the age, but yeah, very happy. Okay guys, so today, or this week, I'm actually on holiday. I'm halfway to Cornwall, so I'm near Axminster at the moment in this little chalet, really nice, called Field View. And I spoke to the owners of Field View today, and the field that I view, they said I can do a bit of metal detecting, so I've got my first proper permission. I've had a few permissions, but none any good. This is a field near Axminster, and apparently they found Roman coins when they were excavating whatever that road is. A303, is it behind? I'm not sure, but I'm so excited. I'm going to go and have a look in there in a bit. So I've been going about an hour in my little field, and a few bits of junk, as you're seeing there. Really nothing of any description. I don't know, there's a little bit of metal there, I don't know, but bits of metal, and then boom, here we have 1770. Hang on, it's so bright here. Hang on, let's turn my light down. I don't know if we can get that. There we go, a 1770 something. Looks like a, what's that, is it the George III? But I'm happy with that. It boomed in at a 28, so I'm assuming that's silver, but I'm happy with that. Brilliant. That's a good quality one as well. Really happy with that. Really, obviously I can't get the focus on it with this light in one hand, but really cool. Okay, good morning. I'm back in my little field today. It's a lovely sunny day, not warm yet, but it's nice. So let's get cracking, because I've only got a couple of hours. Okay, been going about 10 minutes, and got a little musket ball. 18, came in at an 18. A few inches deep, so that's cool stuff here. Brilliant. Okay, coming in quite high again. Yeah, really strong 22. A few inches down is a button, and it's got some form of like, it's got a crown. Don't know if you can see that. It's like a crown on the bottom, and then a I don't know, an eagle's foot or something coming out the top, so that's pretty cool. Excellent. Okay, just a few feet away, another stonking signal of 24, and I think you call this a love token because it's all this sort of bent in an S shape. I can't make out what that coin is, assuming it's a coin, but another result. Okay, it's now 10:18, so I've been going a couple of hours, a few inches down in that hole, 12, strong 12. I can't see what it is, but again, very thin coin by the looks of it, so all good. Let's keep going. Okay, just summarising on what I found today. I think I found one of these before. So it's a crown with some form of bird leg on it as a button. Still got the back on it there, so that was pretty cool. Little plain button, just a little plain button there. Got my little lead shot musket ball, and then I thought I had 3 coins. This one I can see, I think I can see a head on there somewhere. Yeah, I reckon that's a George III. I can just see some numbers in one corner and recognise that nose. And then this one's just yeah, nondescript. Can't work out what that is. Very thin. Thought I had another coin. I'm gonna have to go and have another look. And then I picked this up because it was obviously you can see what it is. So a little bit of snuff from Birmingham. Hedges snuff. So that was my little dig today. So quite happy with that. At least we got a result. Happy days. Okay, good evening. It's 8:30 and I'm in Marazion, and as you can see, it's been the crappiest day weather-wise for a long time that I've been out. So I hope you can hear me. Last time I had wind noise like this, it was in Brighton. One of my first ever beach digs, I think, but here we are. So there's St Michael's Mount, sea's going out. That's got a lot of history, so I wonder what's buried in this floor. Well, go and have a look, hopefully strike something interesting. Good morning, it's 9:20, it's Thursday morning, and I'm on the Marazion beach again. I wasn't very impressed previously. I was looking for the old stuff, and that's probably always difficult on a beach, but I saw yesterday when I walked back along from the village lots and lots of tourists, so I thought I'd give it another go. And I've come to this spot, and a few strong but varying signals all over the place. And looks like someone's dropped their ice cream money, because all in a very similar spot. Yeah, I'm getting 15, 17, something like that for a 10p, a 1p and a 50p so far. And I think there might be some more, so I'll keep going. But yeah, well, that's alright.